What is up, everybody? This is Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got awesome Jeep Wrangler two-door. We just performed a custom build on this one, and the boys are back in the shop. Just got done with this probably 10 minutes ago, and I could not wait to show this one off to you guys. This is a 2026 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X. It's going to be featured in the Firecracker Red clear coat. And man, this thing just looks amazing. So we'll kind of talk about the optional equipment that's just standard with this Jeep. And then we'll get into, some of the upgrades that we performed right here at Cross Jeep. But for starters, you're going to get your vented hood, your LED lighting, front and rear. So your headlights and taillights are LEDs. You got the steel bumper group, so you're going to get the front and rear steel bumpers, painted fenders with the fender extensions, got your rock rails, and on the inside we got the black Nappa leather with the Rubicon stitching just below the headrest, 12.3-inch touchscreen display with the Uconnect 5 cold weather group. So you're going to get your heated front seats, heated steering wheel, and I believe you also get the Mopar slush mats. Also, you got the painted hardtop with the Freedom panels. That looks amazing. There's your rear steel bumper. We'll keep walking around, and then we're going to start talking about this custom build that we performed. I mean, this looks amazing. You guys got to let me know what you think in the comments. Oh, you also get the front trail cam. That's an awesome addition. But yeah, we'll go ahead and start over here and talk suspension. We did the AEV 2-inch spacer kit lift. So we're going to bring that front end up 2 inches, make it level with the rear. And then let me tell you, we went with these 17-inch AEV Borah, which is a satin bronze. We got the black spline drive lug nuts. We went with the AEV center cap, a yellow one. And then wrapped around all of that is a 37-inch BFG mud terrain tire. I mean, just look at the tread on these. Very aggressive stance. Those fender extensions cover the wheel very nicely. Got a little poke to it. Man, I mean, overall, this two-door Firecracker Red is awesome, you guys. I mean, it almost reminds me of a Ferrari. You got that bright red, got the gold wheels with the yellow center caps. I mean, it just screams by me. I'm not going to lie to you. This thing just got done. It's about to go through detail, get it all shined up for you all. And then it is already available on our website, which is crossjeep.com. We will have updated pictures here probably in the next day or so. So if you're interested, please check out our website. You can also give us a call, you guys. It's going to be 502-537-1738. Call us anytime with any questions you might have, or if you're interested in this particular build, please do not hesitate to give us a call. We would be happy to help. Other than that, you guys, be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of this Firecracker Red Rubicon X two-door with the satin bronze wheels. Got a little 2-inch lift and 37-inch tires. Now, this thing is awesome. Appreciate you guys sticking around. Y'all have a wonderful day and have a good weekend. Thank you.